Suya is a spicy meat skewer which is a popular food item in West Africa. Suya is generally made with skewered beef, ram or chicken. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Nigerian street suya is being made. So here is the beef. They start by cutting and slicing the beef into different sizes and shapes. Now the beef will be placed into a roasting fire. While roasting the beef, it will be spiced up with a suya spice called Yaji. Yaji is a spice mixed with peanut cake, salt, ginger, maggi and a grounded pepper. So after spicing up the beef, vegetable oil will sprinkle on it. And it will be in a roasting fire for about 15 minutes depending on the level of the heat. And boom, here is the bed of a Nigerian suya. Nigerian street suya sellers most times serves their customers the suya with fresh vegetables such as an onion, cucumber, cabbage and a little yaji sprinkled on it.
The suya is okay, very nice. If you chop the suya, it's very okay. Because they used to dry their suya very well. They used to make it very nice for you to customers to eat it. In the evening time now, motor will fill this place. Yes. I used to use it. I used to eat it with a malt. Sometimes I used to take beer with my friends. We enjoy it.
So guys, as you can see, the suya is already done. Right now, let me have a taste of the suya and I will tell you guys what I think about the suya. Okay, Mustafa, come give me 1,000 naira suya. Make I share the suya the taste now. So guys, the suya is done, so now it's about to get down. I'm gonna take my first bite. So that's the suya right here. So I'm gonna take my first bite and confirm to you guys the suya. So first of all, I'm gonna take 2, then some onion, then cucumber, and with some cabbage. So guys, check it out. Oh my god. Okay, Mustafa, make we nice one. Your suya makes sense. Makes sense that. Guys, if there's any time, especially if you're living around eastern part of Nigeria, be it Enugu or wherever, Ebonyi State, Anambra State, whichever way you're living, and if you want some delicious suya, I think this is the right place to come get your suya. Fantastic, very delicious. So at the end of this video, I'm going to link Mustafa's phone number. He's also on WhatsApp. I will leave it at the description below. So if you are ready or if you want to make an order, for occasion, ceremony, whichever one, just call Mustafa, write him on WhatsApp, and he will deliver to you. So guys, awesome. Okay, Mustafa, is there anything where you want to talk before we end the video?
I say thank you so much. God bless you.
Alright, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
So guys, this is the end of the video, and I will see you guys next time I talk to you, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. Kode.